If you love donuts, then you're going to go wild for what we're sharing today. We're making homemade, bite-sized donuts filled with jelly. No matter what holidays you may be celebrating, they're perfect for this time of year. We start by mixing our dry ingredients together. You know, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Then, in another bowl, we beat together milk with some melted butter, an egg, and a bit of vanilla. We slowly stir the milk mixture into our dry ingredients until the mixture is smooth. Now we drop small scoops of the batter into hot oil and fry them for a few minutes. When they're golden, they're done. To fill these, we insert a plastic straw and wiggle it around. The more you wiggle, the more room there'll be for the jelly filling. We use a pastry bag or a plastic storage bag to fill them. Once they're filled, all you need to do is decide if you want to coat them in powdered or cinnamon sugar. Either way, you're in for a treat. To get the recipe for our homemade jelly donut holes, all you need to do is check out our website, and don't forget the napkins. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, who loves anything dipped in sugar, where today we found a jelly-filled way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-hmm.